VF is one of the largest apparel, footwear, and accessory companies globally. We have some really iconic brands, Vans, the North Face, Timberland, Dickies.
Anytime a Fortune 250 company moves to a city, it provides incredible economic vitality and benefits to a downtown core. There were several cities across the country VF was looking at, but Denver continued to come up at the top of the list.
Denver just made sense. It brings VF closer to our consumers. It allows our associates to live the lifestyle that they promote.
I'm sure they also realized that Denver was the best place for them to attract talent, for them to live their values, and really their values reflect Denver's values.
What's so great about our new space is it also provides the opportunity to support our commitment to active and sustainable lifestyles with access to the Cherry Creek Trail so that folks can bike to work as well. We've got a climbing wall inside that our athletes and employees can use.
And it's really kind of this outdoor space in the middle of downtown.
Now that our global headquarters is in downtown Denver, we have 1,000 employees that are excited to be part of the fabric of downtown Denver.
But really, I think what we bring is a lot of diversity and a lot of creativity, which is different than just the financial investment.
Those jobs not only bring residents who are living downtown, but also workers downtown who activate the retail, use our restaurants and our shops, and just create a more vibrant presence in downtown.
VF Corporation, in their short time here, has engaged as a great corporate citizen. They've just jumped in.
Over the past year, we've invested over $3.5 million in the Denver metro area, and specifically nearly $1 million in downtown Denver to advance many issues, including reducing barriers to outdoor access and ensuring that regardless of your zip code or the color of your skin, that you have close to home access to green space and parks so that everyone can thrive outside.
The neat thing about VF Corporation relocating here and growing here is they're also going to be a magnet for like-minded companies.
What it means is that other businesses say, well, VF Corporation came to Denver, we should consider Denver as well.
Denver is up and coming. The state of Colorado clearly is a great place for our brands. So I just think we'll continue to seek that growth together.
VF is excited to be part of building and shaping a world-class city and ensuring that Denver continues to be on the map as one of the best places to live, work, and recreate outside.